There's no time like the present to clean your digital house, boost efficiency, and cut costs. Optimize your legal tech today with these 6 steps to spruce up your files, software systems, cybersecurity, and more. First, let's talk about decluttering your digital files. It's hard to work efficiently if you're wasting time searching for the document you need or watching your computer spin as it tries to load your list of folders. To declutter your digital files, do this. 1. Archive old cases. Move closed case files to long-term storage. Tools like Microsoft OneDrive and SharePoint are great for archiving. If you already use them for everyday file storage, create a separate folder or SharePoint site to house archived files. They'll be there if you need them, but they'll be tucked out of the way when you're looking through active matters. 2. Standardize naming conventions. When you name documents consistently, it's easier to search for them and to identify documents without opening them. If everyone in the office can agree on MSJ being used for motions for summary judgment, you can quickly search for MSJ to find documents you need and identify them at a glance when skimming a folder's contents. And 3. Adopt file retention policies. Stop holding on to files for longer than legally required. In the event of a cybersecurity incident, having less data means less data to potentially be compromised. Once you set your file retention policies, purge documents that you are no longer obligated to retain. On to our second step, review software subscriptions. We've all done it. We hear about a cool new application that will revolutionize the way we work. We sign up for a free trial, get into it for a while, and then forget to cancel it when we stop using it. Meanwhile, we are charged for software we're not using. And if it's installed on our devices or holds our data, it poses a potential security risk. Here's how to fix it. Review your credit card statements for the last year. Some only charge you annually. And look for charges for applications you're no longer using. List all the software your firm actually uses, including subscriptions for practice management, communication, and billing tools. Identify tools that are underutilized, no longer relevant, or are redundant. If you have 2 tools that serve the same purpose, give one of them the axe. For our third step, be sure to update your tools. Anything installed on your computer is a potential security risk. It's critical to keep your computer and its applications up to date to minimize the chances of a cybersecurity incident. To stay up to date, double-check that all systems you use are still supported by the vendor. Microsoft and other vendors eventually sunset support for their products. Support for Microsoft Office 2016 and 2019 is slated to be sunset later this year. Make sure to install updates and patches. Your operating system and installed programs all need to install security patches regularly to protect against the latest security threats. Step number 4. Secure your digital environment. Cybersecurity is critical for law firms. Here are some quick wins. Routinely conduct a permissions audit. Review who has access to sensitive data and remove permissions for former employees or outdated roles. Add an extra layer of security to your systems and accounts by enabling multi-factor authentication. And use a password manager like 1Password to simplify secure password management for your entire team. On to step number 5, automate and streamline your processes. Automation tools can reduce administrative burdens and improve efficiency. Use tools like Power Automate or Zapier to streamline processes like client intake and document generation. Invest in practice management systems that offer built-in automation for billing, calendaring, and communication. And finally, step number 6, train your team. Even the best tools won't deliver results if your team doesn't know how to use them. Regularly train your staff on how to use the latest updates to your software. Also, create quick reference guides. Provide step-by-step instructions for common tasks to reduce confusion. It's helpful to designate a tech champion on your team to act as the go-to person for tech questions and for staying up to date on the latest features. By investing a little time in a tech spring cleaning, your law firm can enjoy smoother operations, reduced costs, and improved security throughout the year. Make this an annual tradition, and your digital workspace will stay fresh and efficient year-round. As we transition out of the dark days of winter, there's no time like the present to clean your digital house, boost efficiency, and cut costs. Optimize your legal tech today with these 6 steps to spruce up your files, software systems, cybersecurity, and more.